Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, I have a Eufy doorbell camera. It was working great. Everything was working great. Okay. Then I installed the Xfinity gateway modem, where the modem and router is in one. And then I got a new Wi-Fi ID. Then I connected the doorbell through the app to the new Wi-Fi ID, and I tested it. It works great. It shows the screen which it sees outside, and I can see that, and I can change it to a disarm mode, or from disarm to at home, or from at home to away, and whatever. Then my assistant said the router administration page was saying that the firewall is in low security mode. So he said, why don't we tighten it, make it high security? So we made it high security. And then next day I go to use the camera. It was in disarm mode. So I tried to change it to home mode. And then it doesn't work. I should get confirmation that it changed to at home mode. It takes forever. Just takes forever. And then we found out that the problem was because of high security. And also when it's in high security, I can change the Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi ID, and it works. It says, okay, your Wi-Fi has been changed. However, when I try to go back to the home screen, it says the device is offline, and the internet sign, the sign for internet, is crossed. That means he thinks there is no internet. Why? Because when you are in high security mode, the peers cannot communicate to one another. So doorbell is not able to communicate with the app. The doorbell can connect to the modem and connect to Wi-Fi, but he cannot send the video to my app, because when he tries to go to the home screen of the app, it's supposed to show me the at home screen, the image outside, but it cannot, because it cannot communicate with the app. So this is what happens when you mess with the factory settings. And because the factory setting was set to low security for a region. So then we learned what the firewall settings can do. And then I spent about 2-3 hours trying to figure out what was the cause of the problem. We thought maybe it's the camera had low charge, so we charged it up. Then we thought maybe we should remove the device and then install the new device. And then we thought maybe it's because of the app is old, so we removed the app from the mobile phone and we installed it again. Nothing worked. Then finally we set it to low security mode, the firewall, and it worked great. So this is the lesson we learned, and I wanted to teach everybody the harmful effect of changing the firewall setting without understanding it. Okay, thank you. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.